Hallo iedereen en welkom bij Dutch & Go. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to talk about something really basic, which is the alphabet. And you might wonder, no, why do I have to learn the alphabet? Seriously? Are you going to make me do this? Yes, I am. Because this video is about spelling and spelling maybe your name. If you're a foreigner and you want to learn Dutch, then really, I'm sorry to say, but the alphabet is crucial if you want to spell your name, or even if you hear a word that you don't know how to spell, you might also want to spell that. Or if someone asks you how to spell either your name or a word that you're pronouncing maybe incorrectly, and they just want to know how you write that word, then the alphabet will come to the rescue. So first of all, some of the questions related to spelling would be, hoe spel je dat? Hoe spel je dat? How do you spell that? Hoe schrijf je dat? Hoe schrijf je dat? How do you write that? En kan je dat spellen? Kan je dat spellen? Can you spell that? Or more specifically, kan je jouw naam spellen? Kan je jouw naam spellen? Can you spell your name? It can also be formal. So, hoe spelt u dat? Hoe spelt u dat? Hoe schrijft u dat? Hoe schrijft u dat? Kan u uw naam spellen? Of kunt u uw naam spellen? En kan u dat spellen? Kunt u dat spellen? So, now that we've established that, let's have a look at the Flemish pronunciation of the alphabet. I'll first read out the whole alphabet to you and then we'll look at the alphabet in depth. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 26 letters, all pronounced for you. There you go. I hope that that was helpful. Let's now make some categories. So this is a system that I've developed throughout my years of teaching, and it basically divides the alphabet, the letters of the alphabet, into 3 categories, okay? Into 3 basic sounds that you need to get right. This is an exercise in consistency. Consistency is so important when it comes to pronouncing Dutch, and specifically the vowels. The vowels, as we will see in another video, have 2 configurations, long and short. And if you always manage to get the right pronunciation, get the pronunciation consistently right, then the doors of Dutch heaven will open for you, really, I promise. So this exercise already gives like that gentle start into consistency, basically. So first category is the letter A, the vowel A, okay? So 2 other letters that belong to the same basic sound is H, K. So all of it after another. A, H, K. Okay? Let me also specifically note here the letter H. Where do you pronounce it? Here, in your chest. Okay? It comes from here, from your lungs. And you basically produce the A as you breathe out. Ha. Ha. Okay? So let's look at the whole category again. A, H, K. Good. Now, let's look at the second category, E, okay? Which letters belong in this category? So we have E, B, C, D, G, J, P, T, V, W. In this category we also have some letters that might be a little bit tricky to get right. So the first letter is G. It's a sound that you produce in the mouth by pushing your tongue to the back of your mouth, the roof of your mouth. G, and you basically push the air out. G, like that, okay? Another sound that might be tricky for you to get right, or that you might have struggled with in the past, is the letter Y, okay? So imagine it's the same sound that you would, for example, say in English when you say the word yay. It's not yay, but it's yay, okay? Not yay, yay. But the initial sound is the same, yay, okay? Good. Then finally, also watch out with the difference between V, where I basically put my upper teeth to my bottom lip, V, versus V, where the starting position is U, where my lips are very tense and then I go broad. V, V. Okay? So let's do it one more time for good measure. E, B, C, D, G, J, P, T, V, V. Final category, small one, is the U. There's only one letter that rhymes with the U, is Q. Okay? U, Q. Okay? If you manage to get these categories right and manage to practice these letters in this way and practicing on being consistent and making sure that all of these sounds rhyme with one another, you could even record yourself, okay, practicing the alphabet or even practicing these three categories, then you're well on the way on mastering the Dutch alphabet, and you've already paved the way a little bit to also getting the vowel pronunciation right as well. Also, this I will come back to in another video, but all of the vowels in the Dutch alphabet have the long pronunciation. As said in another video, I'll come back to that, but it's something you can already take into account. A, E, I, O, U. Long pronunciation. There you go. Isn't that easy? I think so too. You're very welcome. Hope you liked it, and if you did, give a like, thumbs up. En tot de volgende keer. Thank you for watching. Dankjewel voor het kijken. Dag!